Our next digital passport activity is going to be Mix and Mash, where we're learning about giving credit to other people's work. We will learn about copyright, credit, and plagiarism through the use of digitalpassport.org. I will apply my knowledge to my own creative work and reflect on the ethical importance of giving credit to others for their work. Now I have a short little video here about Henry's story making mashups.
My cousin makes mashups, and he has like a radio show, college radio show, this college radio channel, and he kind of showed me some stuff. Mashups are taking two like popular songs and combining them to make something that's fun to dance to. I think it's really cool that, you know, anyone sitting in their bedroom can take music and make it something different and just send it out into the world, like the internet, yay! I really like opening title sequences. I guess I just intended to try to make 5 minutes of my own version of Watchmen, but it was mostly just pulling stuff off YouTube and then slapping it all together and putting a Bob Dylan song underneath. The audio got pulled out of the YouTube video because of the song. Well, I just ended up taking down the video because it wasn't really, it's pretty worthless without audio. Downloading music for the purposes of creating something new out of it, and downloading music to, you know, just have it. There's definitely a big difference. It's like the difference between, you know, downloading something just for your personal gain and downloading something and then repurposing it for the gain of others. 3, 4, 5 seconds of footage, which is what I did. I'm fairly certain that that's protected under like fair use.
Here are a few vocab words that you're going to need to know. Copyright, a law that says that only creators have the right to say what others can do with their work. Plagiarize, using some or all of somebody's work or idea and saying that you created it. Credit, to show in writing that someone has created a work. How would an artist show that she created her painting? Look at this example. What do you see right here at this part? They would write their name on the canvas and perhaps the date or the year they painted it to show that it's there. How would an author show that he wrote his book? If you look at this copy of Jaws, notice right here, what is that? He would have his name on the cover of the book. He would also include the name of his publisher and the year the book was published in a copyright section inside the book. Why would you want others to know that a work is yours? So people give you respect for creating it, so people do not make money from your hard work, so others know whom to give credit to if they use any of your work, so others can find you if they want to work with you on future projects. Giving credit where credit is due. It is important for you to give credit for the work that you do as well. Putting your name on your work is one way to give credit. Let them know that others deserve the same respect. It is important not to plagiarize the work of others, but to give them credit fairly. Now it's time to click on the link on Miss Page's lab to play Mix and Mash. Remember, since you've already played, you don't want to start a new game. You want to resume a game and use the same username, your JCPS username that you used to play the password game before. And don't forget, when you get your badge, you want to raise your hand and show me your score so that we can write it down.